morning, Mike Oaks here with Earthworks. We're on Mr. and Mrs. Nicoletti job today. We have a whole bunch of landscape going on. So with today we're gonna do a whole bunch of excavation, get all the old debris out of here, old bushes, see what we're working with, get a nice clean grade, and then replant everything, get our new plants in, make this thing come to life. It's a 3-day job, scheduled for 3 days. Like I said, first day we're gonna do demo, maybe even if we're ahead of schedule, get some plants laid out today, get some stuff in the ground, let the customer come out, okay everything, then mulch everything. With our beds, you see these beds are kind of overgrown onto the concrete. So what we're gonna do is come in and pull out a lot of this dirt, make it where it's a nice even transition between the bed and the actual driveway, and establish where those end, make it a lot cleaner. These customers are keeping a lot of the bushes, so a lot of the boxwoods and the sagos, those are all going to stay in here. They wanted those, so we're going to keep those. We're just going to accent them with a lot of like blue days. So we got, I think, a juga and a lot of specialty little plants like that, which you can get from Earthworks. Day 2 of the Nicoletti job. We're wrapping it up. Big transformation here. We had giant mounds of dirt that we pulled out, so now you can actually see the accent rocks. Put some plants in, accent all this area. Fresh new mulch, making everything lively. Trimmed up a lot of the sagos on the bottom. Pulled out a lot of the old plants on day 1. Got a lot of the new stuff in. Did a full transformation in this front yard. A lot of overgrownness, you know, did our thing here and made it awesome. Some of the plants we got out here is the birds of paradise. We got some African iris, some society garlic, and Miss Patti special ordered and picked up. It's called coreopsis, which is this yellow plant here. Kind of looks like a daisy. I learned this morning that the deer actually really like that. They chewed up some of ours over here. So yeah, if you don't want deer eating your plants, don't get those. This was scheduled a 3-day job. We got it done in 2 days. So there really is no job too big or small for Earthworks. If you would like us to come out and transform your yard, you know, give us a call.